Ooh, Jaina, Nova, or Illidan? Fuck, I kind of want to be someone I'm not, but I also want to be Nova.
Fuck.
Jane is fun. I'd be Nova though.
Fuck.
See this map.
Bel-Era.
Yeah, stealthy.
Nah,
You can
dude, I
just...
suck at fucking Nova, dude. I've missed my shots too much. I got pissed. Rip back.
But this...
You chose Sgt Hammer?
Yeah.
Sell out. What? Oh, this is sick.
Oh shit!
Attackers
Team,
incoming
stop
in
without
30
me.
seconds.
You...
We dipped.
Damn, Sgt Hammer's kind of slow. I'm gonna get right in your way. Blocking you off, man.
Attackers incoming in 10 seconds.
I don't get stealth? What the shit?
5, 4, 3, 2.
No, you're a tank.
I should get
Attackers
stealth.
incoming.
Fuck, that missed.
Oh, cheap shot, bitch.
You are not prepared.
Shit, I'm dead. Oh, I can't believe I survived.
Get him, dog. Get him, dog.
Yeehaw.
Get him, Cletus.
Brandine!
Damn, dude, Sgt Hammer wasn't the right pick for this one.
No, yeah, because he's a slow ass motherfucker.
I should have picked... I don't remember who the other one was.
Oh shit. Oh shit. 2 seconds, baby. God, I got away. Holy shit. That was close.
Damn it.
Don't steal that. No!
I don't need it.
I know. Take it.
I thought it would have like went through or something.
Shit.
I really want to learn how to play Illidan. He's such a badass character in WoW. No.
Just let him run away. He won't help us.
You got the health. Like it. Oh.
A clean kill.
Fuck. Oh! Why would he die?
Shit! I didn't want to do that.
Got him.
Damn,
Can we
dude,
make
our
the payload go backwards?
Yeah.
I think so, but it can't be contested. So we really gotta wipe them out.
The payload has reached the checkpoint. Additional
Fuck.
slain.
Fueled up. Ready to go. Proceeding.
Shit, I went the wrong way.
Set up and execute.
Fuck me.
He's
Triple kill.
Kiss your killing spree goodbye.
Oh, she vanished.
This is an interesting map.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Okay, now. Oh, fuck.
Quad kill.
Where you got a nice little spot right there.
Open execute.
Who's contesting it? Someone must be in the bushes.
Kill streak.
Keeping top.
Oh, it's the Valera. She- Whatever.
Yeah, see, that's why it's stealthy would be amazing for this. You just fucking. Oh, fuck. They got me.
Health.
Corey, that's a sick mount.
What mount?
The
This?
thing you're riding. Yeah.
Fuck! Nice.
I hate the guy who's playing Illidan right now.
The payload is approaching the
Fight
checkpoint.
with such passion. Set up and execute.
Double kill.
Kill confirmed.
Oh, fuck! Are you kidding me?
Kill.
Shit.
A clean kill.
Feel the hatred of
Fuck.
10,000 years.
I got him.
Slain.
Oh, thank you, Thrall.
I never tread lightly.
Fuck.
Fuck, shit, they're gonna get it.
Kill streak.
Yep.
Completely worth it.
The payload has reached
But now they're in our turf. This is where we failed last time.
Our territory.
True. Yeah, it's really hard to get.
I never tread lightly.
We just gotta.
There are 3 by the payload.
Feel the hatred of 10,000 years.
double kill.
Fuck. Oh, I'm going backwards. Damn it.
Come on, Mike. Yeah.
Oh shit. Which one's which?
I never tread lightly.
Oh my god, I hate that guy.
You right? He's the bane of my existence right now.
Fuck. Need health. Okay, one more time. Oh! He killed me
God.
without even seeing me. Just got lucky.
No, I think Corey stole my kill.
I probably did.
Or just shoot from range, man. That's how you gotta play that game. Launches. Dude, they're so close. Holy shit.
Fuck you, Illidan. Fuck me.
Well fought.
Mike, go back to our starting zone to get health.
Ready to go. Delighted to, sir.
Where's... What?
The payload is approaching its destination.
Shit.
60 seconds remaining.
1 minute.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Immediately,
Double kill.
Nice. Stay on it.
Sayonara, sucker.
Come on, go backwards, bitch. There. Oh, someone's in the bushes. Just hold it. Just stay stacked.
30 seconds.
Come on, Illiterate.
Double kill.
Get Prometheus or shoot.
Fuck! Fuck! 10 seconds. Corey, it's all up to you. 5 seconds. Corey! Ah, we got. Okay, now what the fuck does this mean? Oh, they're gonna push it.
Corey, keep your fat ass parked there.
Fucking ain't getting through me.
That's it.
Agents.
This game.
Oh my god, that was fucking insane. This defense is better, see? It's
Yeah,
easier.
because it's really hard to get past that last little bit.
Yeah.